జస్ట్ 1 minute లో స్టార్ట్ చేస్తాం మేడం, 1 or 2 minutes. మీరు స్క్రీన్ షేర్ చేసి పెట్టుకోండి మేడం అంతవరకు.
Yeah, sir. Okay, sir.
మేడం స్క్రీన్ షేర్ అయింది, పీపీటీ ఆన్ చేసుకోండి మేడం. గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్, గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్ టు ఆల్. సో welcome to faculty lecture series. So as part of this regular activity, today's resource person is Sai Nirija madam. She is from Civil Engineering Department.
So can I start?
Madam, yeah, we request you, madam, please begin the session, madam.
Yeah, thank you so much, sir. Good evening to everyone. Firstly, my thanks to the CRI team for giving me this opportunity to share my knowledge with everyone. So today topic is about rehabilitation and retrofitting of seismic resistant structures. So seismic resistant structure in the sense, whenever we had any kind of earthquake, how the building is going to resist the seismic forces, means the seismic waves which are generated by the earthquake. So coming to the rehabilitation, so any kind of building can be rehabilitated, means if you are having any kind of repair for a building because of some attack, or it may be a natural attack or it may be an artificial thing. So the damaged building can be rehabilitated, means it can be regained back its original shape and strength also. So mostly it related to the strength. In general, we do repairs for the buildings. So repair, how it works means we just modify the thing. It won't give the overall
Madam, voice is not coming, madam. Madam, your voice is not audible. Madam, sir, Kizar sir, is it audible?
No sir, it's not audible.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. There is some problem.
Yes, sir.